Hello. First step is to download this program, Rufus, and in device you should connect your flash memory or disk or ISO image in both section. You need click and in select just find your ISO image with your Windows and just click start. You need flash memory from 8 GB for Windows 7 or Windows 10. So get start your laptop in this case or your computer and first click on F2 and start your BIOS system. Here you need a little settings. Here in the main section F12 boot menu should be enabled, and in security, in the security password on boot should be disabled. Also in boot menu you can choose from legacy or UEF1. Legacy is better. And in boot priority order you should choose in section 1 your USB flash memory or your CD with buttons F5 or F6. It is that way. Just choose any and click on F5 or F6 or F5. So then you should click on F10 for save and exit. Then click in F12 and here is your boot manager. You need to choose. So here is your flash memory in section 1. You choose this and here click on any button fast to see this Windows 10 menu. So here use Windows install menu. First is your language, second is in your country the time and currency format, and then keyboard. So you should start with them. here you should go to install now. Here you should accept, and here first section is to keep your files in laptop or computer, settings and applications, but I think better is second section, clear install in Windows only and delete all programs and software. So the better option is to store your files, important files, in flash memory or external hard drive, and just click on second custom install only. So here is the hard drive in this laptop. Here is GB. So it's better in your partition for the Windows. First step, just delete them all. And this also. So here is your free space. Click on new, and here you choose your first partition for the Windows. I think 90 megabytes is enough for your Windows. So here's your primary, where it will be your Windows, and here is your another partition. You should click on new. Why is good to have 2 or 3 partitions when your computer is with virus? If you have 2 or 3 partitions, you can install your Windows in the third partitions or second partitions, and then first partition just to delete Windows with virus and save your documents, important applications. So it's good to have 2 or 3 partitions. I will do this with 2 partitions. You should new, then here is the memory, and apply. But it is primary also. You should click on this where you want to install Windows, and this second will be for your applications, games, music. It is better, this primary, to be only with your Windows and not to install programs or games or nothing, just to be empty, and your Windows will be very fast on this way. So primary, next, and now start installation in your Windows 10 64 bits. So this installation will take about 10 to 20 minutes. Almost ready.
Tana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here,
So
a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your
you can
PC ready
decrease
for all you
the
plan to
sound.
do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter
Just
keys
wait.
at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Here is your region.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Your keyboard language.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
You can add the and second keyboard or skip.
Now let's get you connected to a network.
You can
That way
connect
you
to
can get updates,
your
apps,
wireless.
and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the... Just so you know, connecting to a network now could save you some time later. Type what you want to name your account.
Here is your name.
Okay, now type a password
Your
for your
password.
account.
It is not. Just go next without password.
Windows can save your spot in apps, files, and websites.
Here click on no.
Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission?
Decline.
These are the settings Microsoft
Here is
recommends.
your
Go ahead
location.
and review them
No.
and select accept when you're ready.
Just click on our. No. Here accept.
Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
So here is your new clean Windows 10. So friends, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Best wishes. Bye bye.